Hello everyone, welcome to the Shubha Advisory, your go-to destination for insightful financial guidance and expertise. By watching this video until the end, you are sure to gain valuable insights that align with your financial goals. We highly value your hard-earned money and time. As experts in crafting balanced portfolios for individuals, NRIs, we extend our assistance, guidance, and services in various financial aspects, including investments, savings, tax declaration, ITR filing, tax planning, child education plan, Tax Act ATC ATD ATCCC 10(10)(d), and assistance in declaring HRA. A brief description of Shubha Advisory. With over 15 years of rich work experience in banking, finance, and insurance, I bring a wealth of knowledge to the table. My dedicated team and I are actively involved in financial services, serving 2,500 plus satisfied customers including NRIs who have benefited from our long-term services and earned substantial returns over time. Our services are available in Hindi, English, Kannada and Marathi languages. Are you familiar with the concept of a balanced portfolio? A balanced portfolio consists of a blend of direct equity, indirect equity, debt, and liquidity. Those with a balanced portfolio can navigate market fluctuations calmly and generate consistent returns, unlocking numerous long-term benefits. At Shubha Advisory, we specialize in providing guidance, facilitating understanding, and assisting in the creation of balanced portfolios. Factors taken into account for a balanced portfolio include age, annual income, liabilities, surplus, and other relevant considerations. We have numerous satisfied NRI customers who are maximizing the benefits available. Being IRDA certified, I am authorized to sell a range of insurance products covering life insurance, health insurance, term insurance, ULIP unit-linked insurance plan, pension plans, guaranteed savings plans, and retirement plans. Whether you are just starting your career, a salaried individual, a business owner, NRI, a housewife, or retired, IT professional, private employee, government employee looking to enhance your financial skills, seeking tax-saving strategies, information on tax slabs both old and new, or guidance on saving, investing, and SIPs for future goals, our channel is designed to cater to your needs. Take a first step towards financial empowerment. It's a one-point financial solution. A few lines from us that you may like. My team at Advisory and I believe in discipline, patience, learning, dedication and the long-term growth. There are no shortcuts to success, nor shortcuts to making crores of rupees in a short period. Nowadays, in the digital world, many platforms and people are misguiding others by falsely claiming that they can double or multiply their money to lakhs and crores in a short time, which is a big lie and a trap. If you mistakenly invest in such schemes, there is a higher risk of being cheated and losing your principal amount. Always remember, patience, discipline, and hard work will ultimately reward you in the long term. Believe me, friends, in investment or in the market, the tortoise will always win. If you are going slow, you are learning and winning as well. If you are going fast, you won't learn, earn, and win. Here, learning and winning both are important with a small amount. You will learn as well as win. Who wants to play a game where 99 out of 100 people will die, and only one person will survive and earn 1 crore? I think nobody will. The data from around the world shows that 95 to 99% of traders in the market are in loss. But you are thinking, I want to be that 1%. Because I am young, inexperienced, and I started learning now. Do you think that's a logical thought? We wouldn't take this kind of risk in life, right? With a 99% risk. In COVID-19, worldwide, out of 100, the mortality rate was 2%. The death rate was 2%. We know that we were the 98% who survived COVID-19. Why are you behind that COVID-19? in which 99% of people are dying? In today's dynamic environment, working from morning to evening may not be sufficient, and diversifying income sources is essential. It is crucial for everyone to be aware of investment opportunities, savings, market trends, GDP, inflation, the value of money. Gaining awareness is instrumental in making informed decisions about your finances. Our channel aims to guide you on this journey, and the beauty lies in the fact that, by consistently following our videos, you can become a self-financial expert in just a few months. Our channel will regularly feature videos on a variety of financial products, providing a valuable learning platform. We encourage you to follow, like, subscribe, comment, and share our videos. Learn the art of saving and investing to make your money work for you and enhance your life. At Shubha Advisory, we don't have our own products. Instead, we make it easy for you by suggesting the best-suited products and firms based on your needs. Our team is committed to providing assistance, suggestions, and services tailored to your requirements, enabling you to build your own balanced portfolio over the long term. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on various products, where we will discuss product details, advantages, disadvantages, terms and conditions, charges, fees, brokerage, commissions, and much more. Your engagement is appreciated, so please follow, like, subscribe, comment, and share our videos to receive the latest updates. Our premium services include personalized conversations with me and my team to address all your queries and to build your balanced portfolio to meet your future goals. Those who want to learn, who are new ones, don't have time to invest, interested in investment and not in trading, interested in the long-term growth, investments with assured returns can avail our premium services with minimal charges. Immerse yourself in practical learning experiences, gain insights from industry experts and learn how to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. We are not SCBI registered, and our focus is solely on education. Individual videos will be posted on each financial product, along with daily morning videos on my equity investment plans for the day, short-term, and long-term plans. To know more about below financial products, follow us. Investment products, mutual funds, stocks and equities, bonds, National Pension System, NPS. Banking products, savings accounts, current accounts, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS, Public Provident Fund, PPF, home loans. Retirement products, Employees Provident Fund, EPF, Public Provident Fund, PPF, National Pension System, NPS, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS, Gold Savings Schemes, Gold ETFs, Sovereign Gold Bonds, SGBs. Credit products, personal loans, home loans, auto loans, credit cards, education loans, tax-saving products, Equity-Linked Savings Scheme, ELSS, Public Provident Fund, PPF, National Savings Certificate, NSC, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS. Message us via WhatsApp with your financial services queries for free. WhatsApp us at +9 184829905010. We provide assistance via calls with pre-scheduled appointments. Contact us on WhatsApp to schedule appointments and learn more about our services. We have over 2,500 satisfied customers, including NRIs, whom we actively assist in building their balanced portfolios. If you want to join them, simply message us on WhatsApp. Feel free to reach out to us for any financial queries. Thank you for being a part of Shubha Advisory. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram as Shubha Advisory.